What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Habits are the one and only thing that determine whether a person is going to be successful or not. Show me your daily habits and I can predict your future. That's why it is so important to understand how habits work and how to implement habits successfully into your life. Habits can not only change your mind and productivity, they can change your whole life and make it possible to create a life that you always wanted. In today's video we will talk about 5 rules and mindset shifts that you need to understand and consider to implement a habit successfully into your life. Let's start directly with the first one, which is understand how good habits and bad habits work. Bad habits give you an instant return, so you directly feel good by doing this habit. For example guys, you buy yourself a donut and eat it right afterwards. It directly makes you feel good because it is tasty, but after a few hours it might be changed to the opposite. You already regret your decision. You realize that eating donuts harm your goal that you want to achieve, which is losing weight. As a comparison with good habits, you mostly don't have an instant return. For example guys, you're hitting the gym every day for 1 hour. It might even feel bad in the beginning because you don't want to do it. Instead you would love to lay in your bed, relax and watch some Netflix. But by constantly implementing this habit into your life, it becomes easier as it becomes a part of your routine. You now love to work out every day because it makes you feel better and look better. And after a while you will achieve your goal, and that return is 100 times bigger than that short-term return of eating donuts. Number 2, understand how habits can change your mind and your confidence. Your confidence is made of how you perceive yourself. And how you perceive yourself is depending on the activities that you do on a daily basis. As an example, if you're wasting the majority of your time with low value activities like watching TV, scrolling through your phone or eating junk food, then you will perceive yourself as a lazy person, which can definitely harm your self-esteem. On the opposite, if you're constantly working on your goals and you try to become better with each and every day, your confidence will rise as well. It will be much more likely that you see yourself as a high value man, which in the end leads to a higher attraction level, more success and a more fulfilled life. Number 3, put in the reps first and the results will follow. A habit is something that you do on a daily basis. It is not a habit if you do something just once or twice, or maybe just occasionally. And especially with habits you need to build a routine like brushing your teeth. In my opinion, it takes 21 to 30 days to completely implement a habit into your life. So for example, you want to implement the habit of reading, then you should commit yourself to read every day 1 hour for the next 21 to 30 days. Preferable at the same time of the day to establish a routine. You need to understand that you need to put in the reps first to implement a habit into your life and get your first results from it. So don't think too much and just do it. Number 4, track your success by planning and reviewing your day. Your motivation will rise when you see how consistent you are and by writing your habit each and every day into your to-do list. It will help you to track your success and increase your motivation level as well. What I personally love to do is planning and reviewing my day the night before, so before I go to bed. It already gets me mentally prepared for the next day, and I can also see what I can improve on the next day. And number 5 guys, don't wait for the perfect time. The key of implementing habits successfully into your life and therefore become more successful is by just doing it even if you don't feel like it. We all know those excuses when we say to ourselves, I don't feel like working out today, or maybe I don't have the time to eat healthy today. The key is to still show up and just do it. Stop overthinking about how you feel. Of course you will not have motivation every single day to do it, but by still doing it you shape your mindset to a mindset of a true winner. Show up guys, put in the work, even if you don't feel like it, and you will achieve everything that you want. And that's basically it for today's video. I hope I could help you out with this one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video so I can help you to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.